Hello, friends and followers. Here is the junk Yaesu 2100 amplifier that I picked up off eBay. This is the one that was filthy, like a pigsty, and I put engine cleaner on it, and I took the hose to it. And now it's Tuesday night, so I powered this thing up, and it was wired for 220 volts, so I have it running on the 220 volt tap, running 125 volts into it, and I figured that's a fair way to bring this up and let the capacitors run and reform for an hour. And I'm seeing about 1,000 volts on it, so that's fair enough. It should probably go to 2,000 volts once it's fired up on the correct primaries on the power transformer, but the fans are spinning, and there's no lights here, but we got fans, we got meter. What else can I ask for? This thing probably works. At least it seems like the high voltage part of it's working, so yippee yippee. Gave it a good cleaning. Maybe something in here will be whacked. That's probably where all the matching is for the various bands, but hey, it didn't short out, so at least running at half power, running at a kilovolt, I'm trucking along here. So let it run for an hour like this, then change the mains to 125 volts, fire it up like that, see if it survives, and then if it works, pop in the 572B tubes and see if it goes. So yeah, very simple amp. There's no computer, no SWR, no protection board, not like the evil amp over here. The 7100 from hell. That thing has been pure hell. I've spent 3 days in that thing now. I made progress, but it's just beat me on the head. So figured I would wire up the simple one here and see if it'll go. And sure enough, it's chugging along. All right, well, thanks for watching. Keep your life spinning. We'll see you all soon.